Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Burnham, local and long distance movers near me. We offer the solutions you need for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Our movers know how to get you 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or even further away when you need to move. A long distance move is a big job and can become overwhelming. When you choose to work with us, we give you the help you need. An Illinois moving company provides you with the right team to make your local move simple. It's a big job to pack up your entire home or business and move it. This isn't a quick process or one that won't require plenty of work. Good movers do all the heavy lifting for you. When you choose 3 Movers, you get the right team for the job. We provide you with the moving services you need for your local move. Settle into your new location faster and easier with our help. Even the largest move can be done by us in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Burnham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.